right, so we've had a lot of tech tips, you know, that we're trying to make that part of this series. But one of the things we've been working on today and yesterday is, you know, prepping all these panels for paint and primer. And we've done a lot of sanding, and we've used that bad boy. So what's kind of a tip for everybody out there of why we're using it and what the process is?
Especially if you're a do-it-at-home type of person.
Sure.
Sandpaper, you got the different grits, and you got to have the right grit. So number one, the scratches don't come through, but you got to have enough sand grit for the paint or primer to stick, to something to bite a hold of. So what you do is you sand it down with the proper. If it's primer, I usually use 180 grit. That gives it plenty of bite, and if you're using high build primer, it still sands all the scratches out. And then if you're doing like a sealer, then I'll definitely step it up to like 400, something like that. And then final paint would be usually 600 to 800 grit is what I usually do before I apply color.
Okay.